Hey everybody, this is Parodyboi, and today I'm going to be reviewing from inside my car Clancy's pretzel sticks and a pear. First, let's just chomp down into this one. Man, this is going to make a great video. See this stick? Salty. Tastes salty, guys. Tastes like pretzel, but like salty. Oh, my tooth. Man, I just bit my tooth. I'm trying to close this here. Tune in every day. Well, actually, I probably won't post every day. And this is my first video. Since my last one, a DIY video, got canceled. Mostly because of technical difficulties. And what I should call this video, actually. Amateur food reviewers. No. Oh, I got it. Here it is. Parodyboi snacks inside car review. No, that's a good title there. Actually, I'll probably forget it. Whoa. We got a guest here. A cat. Man. That's great. Great review. May as well call this random encounters. Food plus cat. And that was a great pretzel there. Tastes like bigger pretzel. I don't even know what's happening anymore. Was this supposed to be called again? Yeah, I need to... I'll look back at the footage later. If you're still here, type in the comments, amateur food reviewing cat. I don't care how you spell it. I just want there to be something in the corner. Yeah. Wow, there's a mouse trap down there. Don't know that got there. Now it's for the pear. I feel like I put poop on my hands before I touch this thing. Tastes like a crisp pear there. Wait, no, I don't review fruits here. I just noticed that there's sock in here, some moldy peanut butter in here. And there's a great video here. Video content. And if you know me, I have the best content here. If you're going to watch this whole video, guys, you're probably going to be here for about half an hour trying for me to finish this one pear. Oh, my cat's... Well, this is a great video here, guys. I don't even know what to talk about anymore. Oh, okay. This pear is really crisp. I have no idea why I'm posting this on YouTube, but smart ideas are smart. Except for dumb, smart ideas. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Look at this. Okay, that's a cat there. They're gonna be here for a while. Random encounters. Well, as I say in my state, I'm just kidding, but